Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, bring a large pot of water to a boil and add a generous pinch of salt, about a tablespoon. Add your 8 ounces of pasta and cook until al dente, which means it should still have a slight bite to it. This usually takes about 8–10 minutes, but always check the package instructions. Don't forget to reserve 1 cup of that starchy pasta water before draining. It's like liquid gold for our sauce later. Now, let's get our sauce started by heating 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your half-chopped onion and cook it for 4–5 minutes until it becomes translucent. You'll know it's ready when it starts to look slightly glossy and soft. Then add the 3 minced garlic cloves and cook for another 30 seconds until you can smell that wonderful garlic aroma. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Time to add our 1 pound of lean ground meat to the skillet. Break it up with your spatula as it cooks. You want nice, even-sized pieces. Cook it for about 8 minutes until it's completely browned and no pink spots remain. A little trick: if you see excess fat, you can drain it off, but leave a little for flavor. Here's where the aromatics come in. Add your 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, that optional pinch of red pepper flakes for some heat, and 1/4 teaspoon Italian seasoning. Let these spices cook for about a minute. This helps release their flavors into the oil. You'll know it's ready when the herbs become really fragrant. Next, add your 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to the skillet. Give everything a good stir to combine, and let it simmer for 4–5 minutes. The sauce should start to thicken slightly, and you'll see it turning a deeper red color as it reduces. If you're going for that creamy version, and I highly recommend it, this is where you'll add your 3/4 cup of heavy cream. Stir it in and let it cook for 3–5 minutes until the sauce thickens up nicely. You'll know it's ready when you can draw a line on the bottom of the pan with your spoon, and the sauce takes a moment to flow back together. Now comes the magic of bringing it all together. Add your cooked pasta to the sauce and toss everything to combine. If the sauce seems too thick, this is where that reserved pasta water comes in handy. Add it a little at a time until you reach your desired consistency. The starch in the water helps the sauce cling to the pasta beautifully. Finally, season everything with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. I usually start with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and adjust from there. Serve it up hot with a generous sprinkle of fresh Parmesan cheese and those beautiful fresh basil leaves on top. The heat from the pasta will release the basil's aroma, making every bite even more delicious. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.